Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nik Muhammad Afif Darwish bin Azhar and I'm from DHT7. So in this video, I would like to talk about how to become a great speaker and presenter. First of all, we need to structure our presentation with a proven framework such as the hook, the meat, and the payoff. So what is actually the hook, the meat, and the payoff is? The hook is for the first 60 seconds of our presentation, where we need to introduce ourselves, or maybe we can start our presentation with surprising statistics, or maybe we can start our presentation with a provocative questions so that we can attract our audience's attentions when we speak. Second bullet is the meat, which is the core of our presentation. We need to limit ourselves with 3 main points in our explanation. This is because audiences rarely retain more than 3 distinct concepts in one sitting. So when we limit ourselves with 3 main points, we can ensure that our audiences can really understand what we are trying to convey. And the third bullet is for the payoff, which is the finishing of our presentation. We can finish our presentation by asking the audiences whether if they have any question to ask about the topic that we presented, so that they can truly understand what the topic is about, and we also can inspiring the audience's concluding thoughts about the topic. Next, we need to look at how we deliver our presentation while we speak. Not to mention, the best content in the world will fall flat if it's delivered like a monotone robot. So let's focus on 2 mechanics. So the first mechanics is about the pause. Amateurs fear silence, but professionals weaponize it. So how do professionals weaponize the pause? So basically, they stop talking for 2 full seconds and they let the words land. This will replaces filler words such as or with confident silence. And the second mechanics is about the eye contact. We don't scan the room like a security camera, because we will look obviously nervous when we do that. So we need to pick one person and look them in the eye while finishing a complete thought. And then we need to move to another person in a different part of the room. This will turn a speech into a series of intimate conversation. And lastly, we need to deal with frightness. Even world-class speakers get nervous. It is not about eliminating butterflies, but it's getting them to fly in formation. Anxiety is just excitement without breath. Physiologically, nervousness or excitement feel identical to our body. For example, racing heart or sweaty palms. But the differences is our mindset. We need to tell ourselves, I'm not afraid, and repeat it for 3 times, and take a deep breath to regulate our nervous system so that we can be more relaxed and we can talk clearly. And I think that's all from me. See you in next video.